Welcome back to Loose Vintage RC. So actually, Tal got something really cool and special here. You're looking at the recent release Delorean Time Machine from Jada Toys. I know you're thinking it's a toy. Okay, nice. This one's a little special. So I sold this here probably about a year and a half ago, if so, maybe not quite that long, Target, and I was like, you know what? I'd like to get that and just kind of display it. Then as I purchased it, I put it up, and I was like, you know what? I think I want to build this thing up a little bit better. Took it for a test drive, and I was able to get like 5-6 miles an hour. That's not going to cut it. Although it did have really cool lights. You just push the button, the lights come on, and that's nice. Nothing crazy, but it was too much like a toy in my opinion. But it did look good displayed, and for the money, for $29, it was absolutely a good deal. So time went on. Then I knew that the 40th anniversary of the movie was coming out. Actually have the trio pack from the 25th, but just to celebrate 40th. But great little series. There's 1, 2, and 3 of them, and I absolutely love this movie. That's why I got this, and why I'm wearing a shirt, and why I'm wearing this Blockbuster hat, because it was a huge blockbuster anyways, and one of my favorite movies as well. So on, let's see, July 3rd, 1985 marked the debut of this movie. 40 years ago today, exactly today. It is now July 3rd, 2025. So I was like, you know what? Let's get this thing all hopped up a bit, take it for a run, and celebrate 40 years of the movie, and also have a good little time modifying a DeLorean. Doc Brown wouldn't mind it at all, and that's what we did. So just to show a little bit of what I was going to do, we were going to use this remote. This is a vintage Futaba remote. Doc Brown uses one similar, a little bit more gadgety. Also was going to put obviously a receiver into the car itself, and a little tiny little baby ESC. That's from Futaba, MC230. These are good little ESCs. So I knew I could fit all this stuff in this car, and a nice little mini servo, which the servo is kind of in. There's a servo in here now, but it wouldn't have been too hard. Except I could not do it because this machine was corroded. So I've got to find another one and use some of the parts inside and fix it. These I can find. I'm not too worried about it. And then I will have a nice, cool Doc Brownish kind of style going on here anyways. So with the modification. But in the meantime, I needed to use a little 2.4 Spectrum radio gear, and I robbed my JRXT to get the parts out of it. Not too worried, because it's not going to take me too long to get this thing fixed, and then I can transfer all that back to that truck. So you can probably find like units and stuff like that that won't cost too much money, but everything is very adaptable from here to there. Although I will probably need to get another mini servo, but that can be had for like $12, $13. Nothing crazy. So we have the Spectrum, we have all the electronics pretty much out of that truck into here. I know you're thinking, what? Yeah, so let me show you. Right here, I just used this for display. Let's open this bad boy up. Pull the car out, the DeLorean. I don't need that no more. So that stays in the box. And there she is. I did a little bit of paint work on the stacks, smoke, like the air stacks, exhaust back there. But really nothing too crazy. It's not really a great platform for modifications. It's really not. Everything's very cheapy and plasticky. There's the bottom. The wheels are very hard. But the body is super nice, and it does have the really cool lights. You're saying lights? Yes, light function. So all I have to do is I just put these little connectors together, Now I'm going to put an on-off switch in here, but I just ran out of time. I needed to get this. I wanted to put a video out today for you guys, celebrate this thing. And then I got a little tiny 3.7 volt battery right here. So very light, doesn't weigh nothing, and it takes up no room at all. It's super tiny. Look at that. So just some extra wire I had, and I'll definitely be able to fix that a little better. So I got an on and off switch for the cars as well here, and it just all goes in this little door. Nothing crazy. There it is, just like that. Once I get the on and off switch mounted nicely, it'll look real super clean. I just got to find the time to do it. But I think that's beautiful. Let me cut the radio on. And it's fast. It gets up. It ain't slow. Got working, and also good steering, because it's all digital and proportional from that truck from Team Losi. So all that stuff fit in here. Not too much, not too crazy. I had to cut some plastic bits out and rewire the lights to have their own separate power source that eventually will go into this receiver, and I won't need a power source separately. It would just plug into here, and the receiver would power everything. So, but that's in the future. I think it looks great. I don't want to keep this segment too long, but yeah, highly recommend you guys pick up a little Jada Toys car and display it if you want to celebrate the 40th. I know I am, with a nice cool shirt and the Blockbuster hat, and gonna watch some Back to the Future in a little bit with some popcorn. So yeah, it's so cool. I mean, it's so crazy. July 3rd, 2025, and then the movie came out the same time, but except in 1985. Just awesome. Super stoked. So cannot wait. All right, guys, let's go straight into the buildup of this little bad boy, and then we're going to go into the run. Something really cool at the end. It's kind of funny. All right, guys, it's going to start right now. All right, so we're at 0. Let's see what she does. We got 5 miles an hour. Definitely room for improvement. So let's go ahead and do our upgrades and see what she'll do. All right, we're at 0. Let's find out how fast she goes. Woo! That was quick. I don't know how fast we got, but it looked good. What did we get? 16.5 miles an hour for that bad boy. All right, guys, let's do a little quick run and see how she does. Alrighty, my friends, that's going to do it for this bad boy. I think she turned out awesome. Go Jada Toys, DeLorean. Also, I want to give a big shout out to the movie Back to the Future. All those guys in there really made a special kind of movie. And the car. Can't forget about the DeLorean. Awesome. When I was a little kid, when I went to go see that movie, it was probably one of my favorite movies of all time. And I had to have the car. Well, we got the car. Well, a 15 scale version, but yeah, and it's not expensive. You can pick these up for like 20, 30 bucks and put some good electronics in it, and you got something really cool. Alrighty, guys. I want to thank you so much for following me along on this journey. Please hit a like, comment, and would love it for you to subscribe. I promise you're not going to want to miss what's coming up next. Bye.
When this baby hits 8.8 miles per hour, you're going to see some serious shit.
8.4. Miles per hour. We've done it.